My beautiful and amazing people, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, una see life, eh, is another thing for you to find yourself in some kind situation. It is another thing for you to come out of it successfully with the grace of God by your side. And at the same thing, where we dey talk about for Regina Daniel case so. My people, this man wey be her estranged husband, the kind way im take dey do im movement, how im take dey parade himself around dis girl at dis point in time, e don reach the one wey be say other as arrest no gree work, whether dey go enter another level I no know, because make it make sense. Una know talk say everybody wey dey around Reji and people wey she dey act movie with, in as much as say Ipa don dey aware say the girl dey act film with so so person, dey act with so so person, before you know, Ipa go don send or e go don call the person saying that how dare the person do this, how dare the person do that, knowing fully well that this lady was she was brought up, she was being made for this particular reason. You got married to her was because she was famous and she is a celebrity. Now inbuilt, she was born with it. Now it make you even marry her. Why are you now a indicious hindrance to her success, to her breakthrough, to her happiness? Now that one I dey still dey try to understand, but to understand am come be big problem. My people, Regina Daniel and Clinton Joshua acted a movie together. Now he acted with her. That movie, as we speak, e don get millions of views under 2 days. So many people been come dey talk am say, maybe na because of say Reji dey for the movie. But even though the Clinton too no be im no small, if other people use am do movie, no be small view na im dey get. But for im own place, if im post, e dey hardly get million views for that particular day. So people come dey like dey talk am for comment section say, omo, see girl wey get grace oh, she don show, she don show. Say na as a result of say im bring Reji na im make im get that million views. Na here wey we dey talk am o, una know say million views no be moi moi. Before you know, everybody start dey talk about the movie. The movie started trending. Na so Ipa come go dey find Clinton number up and down. Before im go see Clinton number, dey say Ipa don dey send some kind messages, some kind kurukere message to Clinton. Wetin be the message? E don dey send people to dey treat the guy, to dey tell the guy some kind talk like that. Say, you are married woman, abi? You no know say the woman na married woman. You no know say she is married. You go dey enter her like that. You go dey act that kind movie with her. The same you wey talk say you no dey touch im body for movie. The same you wey talk say you no dey kissy for movie. You don go now go dey touch im body, dey enter married woman. He now come dey wonder say, which one be married woman again? Person dey do im work. This is a movie and not reality. So what is special there and what is there wey una carry for head? I no understand. God abeg. Na there wey dem dey talk o, e no even know talk say na Ipa dey send all those people all left, right, front, back and center. So tey im say according to the information, say sometimes na so im go dey go, dey go come double cross am. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Before you know, no be small drama just dey happen all around am ever since the production of that movie. But im no still, im just dey feel say e no dey safe again. Im come go report for station. Dem come assign some set of people, bouncers and all, wey come dey follow am dey do some kind wakama. But him wey be small boy, he say he no really like this kind life of living in fear, to dey waka with bouncers up and down. He cannot live his free life. But how im go do as so many threatening message and some kind kurukere movement just the day around am. Not until Ipa come reach out to am, come tell am say na him be Reji husband, and that was he not aware that the woman is a married woman, that when the that one start, wey im go carry himself go dey act such kind of movie with Reji, say this should be his first and the last, and that he should go and drop the movie, make him drop am down. Na im come talk say no be small money na im take produce dat movie o, and aside small money, na im work be dat. Im dey project im work, say im no go fit delete dat movie come 10 years. Na all dis kind work wey dem dey do na im person go come see, e go like, e go say oya come and act for me. So im no go fit make Ipa no vex, because Ipa don dey ask am say how much be the worth of the movie make im delete am. Na im say no be the money na im be the koko, na because na im craft, na im work, na one of those things wey producers, other producers go see, wey dem go like, dem go call am be dat say make im come work. So im no go fit delete am. Dem say no be small thing o. Na Ipa come tell am say im go show am say na him. Na im one lady wey dey very very close to Ipa and Regina Daniel come out come talk say omo, no be small thing o. Im don hear say dem dey send some kind messages to Clinton, and that the guy too don cry out saying that him o, anything happen to am make dem hold Ipa, because im no know wetin im do her, wetin im do the man. Na pay im pay Reji, even though dem be co-workers, dem be co-celebrities, im still give her money. No be free she come do the work. Im come do im movie now post am, e dey tell am say make im come delete am. Who does that? Say abeg o, make dem tell Ipa make im leave am alone. If there is anybody wey im need to go talk to, make im talk to im wife. If na im wife say if dem call her for work say she no go do again, fine and good. No be dem wey dem go don spend money do things, e go come tell dem say make dem go delete am. That dem no dey do things like that. Say im no go fit. So maybe na where im dey report to people, dey report to this person, dey report to this person, before you know, information come go reach that woman wey dey close to both Ipa and the Regina Daniel that time. So na im come dey talk say, according to the woman, she say omo, say Reji really tolerated a lot from that man. She tolerated a lot. Only that man, domestic staffs go dey, people plenty full everywhere, wey dem ready to work. The man go still talk say make Reji go wash plate, make she go cook food, make she this, make she that, wey make her come on live television. Una still remember one certain time wey she talk am say na she dey cook for her husband. I know say na good thing for you to cook for your husband as a wife, but na for person wey marry one wife, wey marry you as one and only. No be person wey be say e gather wives here and there, you be number 6. So what is special there wey be say staffs go full everywhere, you go come say na you go cook? Na not only, no be even that cook o, I didn't mean na only the cook, no wahala. It's a good thing for you to feed your husband, to you to cook by yourself for your husband, repair your matrimonial bed for you and your husband. It's a good thing. But the fact say e go talk say make she go wash plate, make she dey useful, no be to just dey do celebrity lifestyle, make she dey useful with herself, say na that one na im she no fit comprehend. That Reji she no go lie, na girl wey be say she really tolerated that man, she really respected him, but his greed, his wickedness, im attitude no go allow woman wey truly love am make, as in, because Reji anyhow wey e take be, she still love am. And that is why the beginning of the whole thing, she refused to come and cast him. Na him later push her, wey make her come out come talk. So for that reason, if not for anything, for the sake of the children wey she born for you, wey you still dey with them, dey run around with them, dey do single father up and down, e get some kind things wey be say you no suppose dey do. E get some kind things wey you no go even allow outsiders to hear. But Ipa for where na that time im go wan buga, na that time im go wan show himself, na that time im go wan make people even hear dem, make people come bear am witness, make dem know say yes, im don arrive. Now why going to meet dis guy saying that make he go drop im video? Why going to tell him to do that? Now sending people to him, dey send am some kind messages wey no really worth am. Why? Because of say you just wan make the girl just dey, make nobody dey call her again, make her life dey miserable. All the people wey be say dem dey close to her, wey dey come near her, you go dey follow dem one after the other, dey drag dem like I pass my neighbor generator. Who does that? Even spiritual husband sef dey still dey allow some people to explore. Why your own case wan come dey different? My people, no be small thing o. Na dis Clinton own sef na even shock me. Couple with the one wey the woman come talk now say na so Ipa dey do, say the girl really try. So when Riji bin dey talk am say she really tolerated a lot, people no wan believe. Omo guys, dey say na truth o. The girl really tolerated a lot from that man. She really condone his excesses. She wanted to stay. She loved to stay. But na the man attitude na really push her out. Now he still carry the attitude, still dey pursue her even outside his home. Who does that? Is that not sign of wickedness and witchcraft? If not for wickedness and witchcraft, what is all this? My people, I say this matter no be small thing o. As Clinton now no gree delete am, Ipa say e go hear from am. Do you advise that Clinton should delete it, or he should stand on his ground that it is his craft, it is his work, he no go fit do anything about am, or he should just delete it for peace to reign? What are your take? What do you think? Drop your opinion on the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.